Alright children, now in continuation with the previous video, the third point of coronary artery, that if ever there is a blockage in coronary artery, it will lead to the deadening of a particular area in the heart. The point or the location of the heart where a particular coronary artery is supplying oxygenated blood, if that artery is blocked anyhow, in that case the affected area would start deadening and will not work properly. This is known as heart attack, and technically it is known as myocardial infarction. Please remember this term. Alright, blockage in coronary artery leads to myocardial infarction. Then children, you have to come to the next structure which is present inside the heart, valves. Very important. A pair of valves is present between the auricles and the ventricles. So suppose if these two are the auricles and the lower ones are the ventricles, so one valve between right auricle and right ventricle and the other valve between left auricle and left ventricle. So just understand this way. The right side would be having a 3 muscular flapped valve, that's why it is known as tricuspid. Left side would be having a 2 flapped muscular valve in between auricles and ventricles, and auricle and ventricle, and this is known as bicuspid, also known as a mitral valve, right? So these two valves, tricuspid and bicuspid, they are present between auricle and ventricle. Then you come to semilunar valve. Semilunar valves are present at the right side. It will be present at the opening of pulmonary artery, and at the left side it will be present at the aortic semilunar arch, aortic arch, the place where aorta emerges. What is the function of valve wherever it is present? It will prevent the backflow of blood. It controls the entry and exit of blood. So in that case, once the blood has thrusted further, in that case the valves will close and they will not allow the backflow of blood, and these valves are kept at their fixed position by the specialized fibers known as chordae tendineae. Right children, as of now we are just discussing everything theoretically, but in the upcoming video you will be understanding how the heart looks and how the things function there. Right, as of now I'm concluding this video. It was a shorter one. The next one would be slightly lengthier.